If you want to make money online with ChatGPT, you are at the right place. Welcome back to AI Unleashed, where we explore exciting ways to make money online. In today's video, we're diving into a cutting-edge opportunity that combines artificial intelligence, chatbots, and online income generation. We're going to show you how you can leverage ChatGPT, a powerful conversational AI model, to unlock a world of potential earnings. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or explore a new venture, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to succeed. So if you're ready to tap into the limitless possibilities of the digital age, stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of making money online with ChatGPT. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Find unclaimed money. With the help of ChatGPT 4 and OpenAI plugins, you can find unclaimed money under your name, at least in the United States. Yes, it's possible now, and the CEO of Delnape has already demonstrated it on Twitter. With the internet browsing plugin, ChatGPT 4 can access live internet and find unclaimed refunds from companies and government agencies under your name. 2. Build an app, website, or service. The next best way to make money with ChatGPT is by building a product. And for this, you don't need to learn to code. ChatGPT can help you translate your ideas into real products with step-by-step instructions on how to use frameworks, tool chains, programming languages, etc. Recently, Ivorstafurik, a Ukrainian entrepreneur, built a Chrome extension with the help of ChatGPT, having zero knowledge of programming. And he made $1,000 within 24 hours of launching the extension. That's bonkers, right? You can become a solopreneur and build a business in a matter of hours. Want to build a cool-looking HTML page? Ask ChatGPT. Want to integrate Stripe for easy checkout? Ask ChatGPT. Get errors along the way? Again, you can very well ask ChatGPT to debug the code too. 3. Get business ideas from ChatGPT. To make money using ChatGPT, you must use it to its full potential. In case you are unaware, ChatGPT is good at churning out new ideas for passive income. For example, you can run the below prompt in ChatGPT to ask about side hustle ideas, depending on your preferences. ChatGPT will now ask you a bunch of questions about your expertise, interest, challenges, and more. After that, the AI chatbot will come up with tailored business ideas that meet your ability and expectation. You can query further and conceptualize the plan on how to start it. What are the things to keep in mind, etc. You can also start with generate a new business idea for. And then ChatGPT will come up with some amazing results. 4. Create an AI chatbot. After the launch of ChatGPT, the demand for AI-assisted chatbots has only gone higher. Business companies, educational institutions, apps, and even individuals want to train the AI on their own custom data and create a personalized AI chatbot. You can earn good money if you learn how to train an AI and create a cool front end. Stripe has already created a ChatGPT-powered virtual assistant that understands its technical documentation and helps developers by answering questions instantly. We have also written a tutorial on how to train an AI chatbot on custom data. The best part is that to create an AI chatbot, you don't need to be a programmer. You can ask ChatGPT to help you out with this as well. Ask it how to create an AI chatbot using Python, and it will start giving you instructions. 5. Email affiliate marketing. Email affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money using ChatGPT. The chatbot is good at writing emails in various ways and can persuade the user to click on a link to buy products or subscribe to a service. You can add your affiliate link, and that will likely make money for you. To begin with, choose an affiliate program, be it Amazon, Shopify, ConvertKit, etc. 6. Turn into a prompt expert. The best AI tools on mobiles, and even the best ChatGPT alternatives have their own nuances. If you're someone using AI image generators, the process to actually use them can get even harder. This is because artificial intelligence, while smart, can be dumb if not given the right prompts to work with. However, browsing across the internet you must have seen folks compiling a variety of prompts and selling them. Furthermore, you might even see people offering courses on AI prompt engineering. These, while initially unnecessary, have turned into proper careers. Provided you have a surgical knowledge of AI and its use, you can become a prompt expert and make use of ChatGPT to make money for you. So, for the audience out there that requires detailed yet concise prompts to use Midjourney to generate AI art, you can be the one who steps in. In the same vein, if you have used ChatGPT long enough, you can even compile the best ChatGPT prompts out there and then sell a collection for as little or as much as you want. 7. Create videos with ChatGPT. There are many niche and sub-niche categories on the internet, which are yet to be explored. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with video ideas in a particular category. After that, you can ask it to write a script for the YouTube video as well. 8. Write ebooks and self-publish. According to a Reuters report, with the launch of ChatGPT, AI-written ebooks have seen a significant boom on Amazon. This is because writing and conceptualizing new ideas has become much easier with ChatGPT. People are using ChatGPT to write ebooks on many relevant and niche topics and selling them directly on Amazon using the Kindle Direct publishing platform. Recently, we also decided to explore the bot's capabilities and using ChatGPT to write essays. 9. Freelance and create content. Finally, you can freelance in any domain and use ChatGPT on the side to make money. In fact, companies are now incentivizing people who use AI tools like ChatGPT to make the content look more professional and well-researched. Freelancing is not just limited to writing blog posts. You can also use ChatGPT for translation, digital marketing, proofreading, writing product descriptions, and more. 10. Become a virtual assistant. While making an AI chatbot might quickly help you earn money, this take is a bit different. ChatGPT is an easy enough tool to use. However, not everyone has the time or the inclination to leverage it. For such cases and more, you can become a full-fledged human assistant that uses ChatGPT. Ever since ChatGPT got access to the internet, the things it can do have dramatically increased. In the same vein, people can now enable and use ChatGPT plugins right now, which have given the bot even more power. With the best ChatGPT plugins and the right skills by their side, anyone can use the AI chatbot to make money. From overly simple tasks like sending emails and Slack messages to helping users perfect their code and drafting out entire stories and even language translation, there's a lot you can do. Did you learn something new about ways to money online through ChatGPT that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.